Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, morning everyone. This is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to the wet market to do some grocery shopping today. The last time I did a wet market video was the last MCO, which is MCO 2, and sadly to speak, not too long before after that, it is now MCO 3 in Kuala Lumpur. I think yesterday we had a case of more than 4,000. Very scary, yeah. So try to stay at home, stay safe. You only go out when you want to do work and also grocery shopping. Yeah, don't go out for any social activities. So let's go. The Old Klang Road is having a lot of road work right in front of the wet market, so you can't really park there. You can park at behind or beside of the wet market. But basically the entrance remains the same, which is right behind from Old Klang Road. Okay, this is the main entrance, so try your best to observe SOP. This is the dried squid head, and this is the dried lala, yeah? And dried oyster. All these are very good for you to make a soup, or you can add this into your porridge as well. Hey, hello. So this store has a lot of Chinese herbs that you can buy. I think in one of my last video we have introduced this particular store before. A lot of things, and very convenient today, especially now, depending what you want. So it has the ready pack of different kinds of purpose. Okay, this is for you to clear your lung. This is for you to allow you to sleep better. So nowadays it's very easy. You just need to buy the ready mix and ready pack Chinese herbs and go back to make it into soup. Oh, this is a new one. Looks interesting. Okay, recognize this uncle, and then you can go and buy from him. Oh, many huge flounders today. Every time I come to wet market, I always want to buy some shallot. The shallot is always so much nicer than the one in supermarket. Okay, Appa is buying free range chicken today. 不要紧，安迪照切，不要紧，你不用理我。I'm going to make some coconut chicken soup later. This is a huge chicken. 2.2 kg net. This is already net, meaning it's already removed the feathers and stuff. Meaning this chicken is at least 2.5 kg originally minimum.
那鸡尾要不要？
鸡尾不要，
这个不要。
鸡尾不要。So it's actually not easy to get this size very every day. Most of the chicken today is about 1.5 kg you can get at the market. So I asked her to cut half of. Now the good thing about buying chicken at wet market is you can actually ask them to cut according to the size
还
you
要
want.
砍吗？还要砍吗？没。
这个再给我分一半，另外那个就 OK 了。
不用。
Have you seen wild boar before? This is the only store selling wild boar. A lot of different kinds of veggie here. Ooh, the lady's finger looks very nice. I like all this very fatty lady's finger. It's going to be very crispy. I'm going to get some. Beautiful tomato as well. Ooh, small flounders. I think I can get one or two of this. You can use the flounders for pan fry or also steam. This is actually a soulfish also. Yeah, this is what they call the soulfish. The one we use to make the soulfish powder. Garupa. Black prawnsfur. White prawnsfur. Silver prawnsfur. So they are all cleaning the fish for you. Appa gotten two small medium-sized flounders, 17 ringgit. Not bad. Ooh, their loofah looks pretty good. I'll probably get one. This is the one that you cook with egg together. It will taste really, really good, and so easy to cook. Just cook this together with egg. It will taste so nice. You don't even have to add too much flavor. Just add a bit of salt will do. So how do you choose this? Don't choose the one which is very old. So if it's very old, then inside will be very hollow. So what you do is you can take it out and try to weigh it. It should feel very heavy inside. If it feels very light, then don't buy. It will be very dry inside already, okay? This one is pretty heavy, should be fine. So you need to remove all the skin, of course, before you cook. I really like all this fatty type of lady's finger. See how fat it is? They are very, very crispy. Every time you want to get some best tofu, always come to the wet market. The wet market tofu is the freshest. Look at all this. Ooh, looks so good. Appa is going to get some. This is my wife's favorite food, all the fried fuzu. Kinds of fish ball and fish noodles. Still a lot of things inside, but today Appa got some chicken, fish, flounder fish, some very nice loofah, lady's finger, and Appa also tapao some my favorite wonton mee is actually here. Yeah, you should try the wonton mee. So quite a lot of people today because it's weekend. My suggestion is come, buy and go. Don't spend too much time. I mean, quite a lot of crowds today actually, especially weekend. But if you want to avoid the crowd, come during weekdays. Then not many people. Okay, so I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do comment below if you like to see more of this kind of wet market videos. Still a lot of things inside I didn't show today because I just come and quickly buy and go. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.